Introducing our latest wireless photon skin rejuvenation product. Powered by 2020 generation light-emitting diodes. The Project E Beauty Face and Neck Mask. Get spa-quality treatment at home with 4 easy steps. Cleanse and dry your face. Press the power button and start your treatment. Sit back and relax for 15 minutes. Apply your favorite skincare serum or the Project E Beauty Hyaluronic Acid Serum for best results. With the latest LED technology, this mask covers your face and neck with 99 plus 40 LEDs and has 5 intensity levels and 7 colors. It is engineered to provide the optimal wavelengths for a variety of rejuvenating skin treatments. We crafted this mask to fit comfortably on all face shapes. We listened to our customers' feedback, and so we made this product 50% lighter than the previous version. Wireless, ergonomically designed, easy to use, innovative. Project E Beauty, your skincare expert.